In today's video, we show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In today's digital landscape, Netflix stands as a global entertainment giant celebrated for its vast array of captivating content. How to stream Netflix to achieve optimal streaming quality becomes pivotal for an immersive viewing experience. So in this video, we'll show you how to share Netflix to your screen. It's very simple. First of all, before you share Netflix to your Discord stream, you can settings to your Chrome. You can open your Google Chrome. Select on the three dots over here. You can go to settings. From settings, you can go to system. On system, you need to disable this feature. Use graphic acceleration when available. So by default, this feature is active on your Google Chrome. But if this feature is active, you won't be able to uh, share your Netflix screen to your Discord. The Netflix will be blank. So you need to disable this. Now you can relaunch your Chrome. Now you can search for Netflix. You can open your Netflix in here. You can scroll down. You can select on the movie that you want to share with your friends on Discord. For example, this I want to share. You can play the movie. So now you have played the movie. Now you can go to Discord. From Discord, you can start share your screen. Select on share your screen. You can select on Netflix Google Chrome. So now you can play the movie. Let's show you. You can play the movie. Wait. When you open another tab, your stream will be paused. So, but don't worry, your viewer on Discord can see the movie. They can watch the movie. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share Netflix to your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated. Thank you and see you.